Hey guys, welcome back to the channel that teaches you how to make PROCREATE brushes. To celebrate the channel hitting 1,000 subscribers, wow, thank you guys for that, we are making the ultimate watercolor tool for your digital art, the Watercolor Blender brush. It's a watercolor brush that is very diluted to give you that wet watercolor look that blends the pigments of the previous color to create ombre effects and blending abilities, so you won't need to use the blend tool to achieve these effects. So, let's get started and make this brush. Start with an open canvas, choose a brush library, and tap the plus sign to make a new brush. In Stroke Path, set Stroke Property Spacing to 5%. In Shape, go into the Shape Editor and choose Willow. Tap Done twice to save selection. Under Shape Behavior, set Scatter to 5%, Rotation to follow Stroke, Count to 10%, Count Jitter also to 10%, and turn on Randomized. In the Grain sidebar, go into the Grain Editor and choose Textured Ink. Under Grain Behavior, set it to Texturized and set Scale to 20%. Reset Blending Mode to Color Burn. In Rendering, set Rendering Mode to Intense Blending. Under Blending, set Flow to 25% and set Wet Edges to Max. Here in Wet Mix is where we activate the blending effect. Set Wet Mix Dilution to 50%, Charge also to 50%, and Pull to 90%. Set the grade here to Smooth for, well, smoothness of the stroke, and set Wetness Jitter to Max to add wetness variation. In Dynamics, set Jitter Size to 15 for a bit of variation as well. In Apple Pencil, set Pressure Opacity to 40%, Flow to Max, and Bleed to 65%. Here in the Tilt options, set Tilt Angle to 12 degrees, Bleed to 50%, and Size to Max. Finally, in Properties, under Brush Behavior, set Maximum Size to Max and Minimum Size to 5%. And that is all it takes to create a versatile and dynamic watercolor brush for your digital art. I really hope you enjoy creating with this one. Leave a like and or a comment if you do. Thank you all so much for helping this channel to reach another milestone. 1,000 subscribers is just so amazing to me, and I will be forever grateful to all of you who helped make that happen. Huge stuff is in the works, so make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to make sure you don't miss out. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care, and I'll see you then. Bye!